Hey, it's Derek here from the Sideshow Guys. We're in the garage again with a small repair on the Honda Talon here. I'll show you guys what we're getting into today. See if you guys agree with this repair or not. It's just a quick fix. And I'll ask a few more questions after I show you what's going on here. So I don't know if you can pick it up in the camera or not, but both my lower radius rods have bent. I caught them on a rock or something. This one here, you can probably see it, the way it's bent versus the upper there. You can see right in this spot right here, it's been pulled back. There's a dent in it here. And then we come around this side and it's kind of the same spot, but right here we got a dent in it and it's bent back like this. I'm sure you guys can probably see that in the camera now that I pointed it out. So we're gonna try and straighten these out. If you guys have any recommendations on replacements, maybe some CA technology ones, high clearance ones, or what other companies out there make some high clearance radius rods, lowers. I just do the lowers, or I'll do all four if it's a good enough deal. What do you guys recommend for lower radius rod, high clearance for the Talon R 1000? Let me know in the comments if you guys have them, or what ones you've had experience with, or which ones you think are the good price for what they are, or the best ones for the build quality. Leave it in the comments there. Give me some ideas and I'll see if I can work out a deal with somebody. I'm open to suggestions on what brands and stuff, but for now we're gonna pull these ones off. It's just 2 bolts, one each end. We'll pull them off, we'll put them in my little press I have and see if I can get them somewhat straightened out. For the meantime, while I get a set of high clearance ones on order. Now we got her jacked up and we pulled it off. There's a 17mm wrench and socket for this here to get this bolt out, and a 17mm wrench will take this nut off here. There is washers on here, so keep these washers on there. We'll just pull the one for now. We'll leave that one on so we don't mix them up. And we'll get the press set up here and see if we can get this one straightened out. So this is my little setup here. I had to have a piece I ground out there to match the radius so I don't flat spot the radius rod here. It does have a, I'll pull it out here and show you. You can see where it's hit a rock or something there and flat spotted. Don't worry too much about that. I just don't want to flat spot this side too and make a weak spot. So we're gonna put that in there with the up there like so. See if we can press that down and straighten it out. This is a little press that my dad got me from, I think, Amazon or Princess Auto. It's a little 10-ton, handy little shop press. Not too big. It's been pretty handy for jobs like this, pressing bearings in and out. Got a little better, still needs some more work yet. I'm gonna have to go about this a little differently now. Try it this way. Let us get a little more push through. We're probably gonna have to take this here past the center point. You'll see it spring back here when I let it off. So you got to go past to get it to go where you want. That's looking much straighter. We're just going to clamp her one more time and try and take some of the dent out. And that one there is pretty straight. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's straight enough for me for now until I get some high clearance ones. Now hopefully you can see this one. It's got a pretty good dent in it. This one's the one I'm more concerned about. We'll see if we can fix that dent a bit. And of course you can probably see there that it does have a pretty good angle to it. So we'll get working on this one, see what we can do with it. Once again, that one's pretty straight now. We'll try and get the dent out. The dent come out a bit because when we clamp that around, it squeezes this in to take some of the dent out. We're going to put it on here and maybe the bottom side here. See if we can get that dent out a little more. Of course, we'll roll around the other side and see if we can do the same there. See, there's hardly a dent there now, so it's much better. I'm good with that now. That'll get me through until you guys hook me up with a brand of high clearance ones. Maybe we can stop from hitting the rocks. Give us a little more clearance. Again, the dents go to the front. Your washer goes on down here with a nut. You see me put the bolts in there. We got a nut to go on. Of course, we'll check all these with a wrench, make sure they're good and tight. Just like that, we're all done. They're straightened out. They still look good. Paint doesn't look all chipped off. So like I said, if you guys got any recommendations for high clearance radius rods, I'll take uppers and lowers. Just let me know some brands that you guys recommend or what you put on your Honda Talons. Of course, this is the R, not an X, so I need the wide ones. I'll probably have to order them out of the States with this being an R. And let me know in the comments and I'll probably get a set on order, and hopefully I won't have to do this again. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe button as we'll keep the content coming for you. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.